Hey you! Yeah, you, watching this. Have you entered my 2,000 subscriber giveaway contest yet? If not, you totally should, because I'm giving away Truly Me number 47. Entries for the giveaway will be accepted until noon Central Standard Time on Friday, August 14th. The winner will also be announced the same day. So go ahead and enter while it's still open. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey guys, it's BiggestAGFanEVer here, back again, and today I'm here for episode 6 of Doll Doctor. If you guys don't know, Doll Doctor is a series that I started last year, around this time actually, and I made it to fix up some of my best friend's dolls. I ended up also finding a doll at the thrift store to fix up on the series as well. So today I am here with another doll that I am going to be fixing up, but I'm actually not just going to be fixing her up, I'm going to be customizing this doll into a boy doll. I've seen a bunch of other AG tubers customize their dolls and make boy dolls, and I've always wanted to do so, but I've been too scared to. So I decided to buy a doll that needs some TLC and fix it up and customize it. So I'm not going to be doing all the same stuff that I've done on the other Doll Doctor episodes because I don't really need to fix the wig or anything like that. All I'm going to be doing is cleaning the skin, removing the wig, and then putting the new wig on the doll. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to start off, all I did was clean Truly Me number 24 skin with a magic eraser and some water. I prefer a magic eraser and water over the baking soda and water method because I find that the baking soda and water method tends to leave like a gritty residue on the doll's skin, especially around the toes and the fingernails. Plus, I find that the magic eraser is better at getting off some of the stains on the doll. Some stains on the doll are a bit harder to get out, although scrubbing a little bit harder in those spots can sometimes get the stains out with the magic eraser. After I'm done cleaning part of the doll's skin, I have a towel on hand to immediately dry it off. This is especially helpful around the doll's face because you don't want to get water into the doll's eyes. Speaking of the doll's face, I always make sure that my magic eraser is completely wrung out before I start cleaning the doll's face. This is so that way any excess water doesn't end up in the doll's eyes. I'm also super careful while cleaning around the doll's face because I've heard some people take off the face paint of the doll using a magic eraser. Personally, I haven't experienced this, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. This is just a quick look to see how dirty the water was after I finished cleaning the doll. Surprisingly, the water wasn't really dirty at all, especially considering that she was a heavily used doll. So now I went through the task of removing the wig from the doll's head. I have heard so many people claim that this takes forever, so I was bracing for the worst, honestly. But in reality, this clip was only 3 minutes long, and the first minute of it was me getting it all set up, so this only really took me 2 minutes to get the wig off the doll's head. To get the wig off, you see me using a combination of a fork, a spoon, and just the strength of my hands. This little bit at the front of the head was definitely the hardest part to get off. So off camera for fun, I decided to fix up the wig using the same methods that I did to fix up my Felicity doll, and honestly I think it turned out really good, and I probably could have just kept this doll as a girl doll and the hair would have been totally fine with me, but like I said, I really wanted a boy doll and I already had a boy wig on the way anyway, so I decided to make the doll a boy doll. I bought this wig from an Etsy seller, and I will be sure to leave the link for the Etsy shop down in the description box below. However, the brand that sells this wig is a super popular brand for customizations of American Girl dolls. Specifically, a lot of AG tubers have used this brand and they got their wigs for their boy dolls from this brand. So this wig is the style BB in the size 10-11 in the shade medium auburn. I just went ahead and flipped it inside out so it is easier to get on top of the doll's head. As you can see, my first attempt, the tag stuck out, but on my second attempt, I was able to get the wig situated onto the doll's head perfectly fine. I decided not to glue his wig down yet because I didn't have the glue with me and I was kind of scared to, so for now his wig is not glued down. So here he is with his hair all brushed and styled. Now it is time to dress him up in some boy clothes so that way we can take the after photos for the before and after photo shoot. I chose to dress him in this outfit of Logan's that I have. I don't really have a lot of boy clothes, so if you guys know of any Etsy sellers that sell awesome boy clothes, be sure to leave it in the comments below because I'm definitely searching for boy doll clothes. So I feel like this episode was pretty successful. I was able to get out a majority of the stains on the doll, as you will see in the after photos, and I think that he overall turned out really cute. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon so that you will be notified every single time that I upload. And finally, don't forget to follow my Instagram. It is _BiggestAGFanEVer_. With that being said, I will leave you guys to the before and after photos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!